let's take a look at this great new app I've been looking at called SlideShark. Here's the icon right here. So if you search the App Store, SlideShark, there it is right there. And this app is great for PowerPoint presentations. Here's how it works. So if I tap on SlideShark, I don't have any presentations right now. So what I can do is go into one of my cloud storage options and grab a presentation from there. I've set up Box for it. So I hit my cloud area, go to Box. It's loading all of my folders. In here, I happen to have two presentations. Choose this one. And as you can see, it's added that presentation to the top there, and it's processing it. It puts it in its own cloud database for SlideShark and transfers all the slides. So now I can see that it's all processed. It's telling me that there's 4 slides for this presentation. And if I tap on download, it will download. And I can see my download progress over here on the right. It's done downloading, and I can see here now I have a play button. So I can hit play and play this presentation. If I do that, here we go. Now this is the first slide in the presentation. To get to the next slide, all I have to do is tap on the screen and it goes to the next slide. Tap on the screen, it goes to the next slide. If I want more user control, I just swipe up on the screen, and now I have some options here. Do I want to look at this full screen, just the current slide, or current slide with notes? So here I picked current slide with notes. So this would be almost a presentation mode where I have all my notes written down right here, and this is what's being displayed on the screen. And I'll kind of show you how that looks. So in this case, I'm going to use kind of Airplay to display this on another screen. This can be done with a projector or any number of different ways, but in this case, I am going to be displaying this presentation on my Mac. And there it is right there. So as you can see, I'm seeing the entire presentation in one screen right there. But over here, I'm looking at the presentation through presenter mode. I can have all of my notes down here, all of my slides are here on the right. And if I want, I can even look at it a different way. Maybe I want to just see the current slide with the slides on the bottom. I can do that. I can do it in full screen mode. Swipe up. Or in this kind of presenter mode. And again, whatever mode you're in, if you're displaying this presentation on another screen, this is what they see. So I can flip from slide to slide as I want. And I can see all of my slides. I can even decide, hey, I want to share this presentation over the web. So I tap on the sharing button. I enable sharing for this file. I hit enable. And now it says, okay, how do you want to go about sharing this? In this case, I'll shoot off an email. So I can copy the URL, or I can shoot off an email. So I'll shoot an email to myself. So I just shot this email off to myself, and eventually that's going to go into my Outlook over here. And once it does that, I will be able to show you on a browser exactly what this will look like. Right, so I have received this email right here. and it's saying, hey, there's a presentation, Adam wants to share this with you. All I have to do is either click on the presentation, it'll take me, or this link right here. I'll click on the presentation, and it launches the presentation in a web browser. If I hit play, it plays each slide. Just like that. Now if I want, I can pause this. So if I hit replay, I can actually go ahead and pause it and decide, hey, I want to see just this slide, please. And there it is. So that's how you share the presentation. Here's another little nifty thing about this program. Now I'm over here presenting this. So what if I want to use a pointer? I can do that. All I do on my end here, so I have the slide, I just tap and hold. And it actually, on this end, puts a pointer that I can move around. Anywhere my finger goes, that pointer goes. You can see the little red laser as I'm moving it around. Awesome feature. I love that feature. And that's pretty much SlideShark in a nutshell. You can open things up from email into SlideShark. You can do it from a cloud solution into SlideShark, whatever you want. If you have any questions, please let me know.